DoorDash app, just quick preview. So you create an account with Facebook, Apple, Google, just confirm your phone number, and then you can just start to browse the restaurants and cafes. The thing is, this app is not available worldwide. It's available, like in selected countries, of course, in US, Canada, Australia, I think UK, Germany, Japan. So some of these big markets, but not in every country. So here, if you're traveling somewhere in Europe, it's not in every country. And then, you can just select your address. So here, for example, you see, where it can be available. And then you can see if stores are available in your area. And then if you can just browse, and then you can find some orders. And that's what you have here. So, and then you just have your account. You can also deliver grocery here, and there are nice widgets where you can just track your delivery on your iPhones. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, that's just a very quick preview.